Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you're watching Faith by Design. Today we will be doing just a little quick video. I hope everyone is having a great start to their weekend. I am filming this on Friday, so hopefully it gets uploaded by the end of the day. But if not, Saturday, happy Saturday to you all as well. And I just wanted to come on here to give a shout out to the BCL ladies for the week. This week has been great watching all of their videos and just getting to know them better. So the first shout out we have is Save with Alicia. And I really enjoy watching her savings challenges. She does cash stuffing, Friday night, game night. And I just enjoy. I've been watching her playlist and just getting familiar with her channel more. And then we also have the Money Diary, and same thing. She does savings challenges, cash stuffing, all of the budgeting things. So I enjoyed seeing her budget with me's as well, and just getting to know her and how she saves and her goals. And so I've really been enjoying that. The next one we have is Save with T. Save with T I've been subscribed to for quite a while now, and I just went back to her playlist and watched her videos. She has an Etsy shop. She has beautiful cash envelopes that she makes. And I believe her sister also has an Etsy shop, and she's really talented. They both are very sweet. So go check her out as well. And last but not least, we have Testa Coleman, I want to say. I hope I'm saying that right. TSTA. I'll have it up on the screen. Testa Coleman. Getting familiar with her channel as well. And I just binge watched her playlist as well. And so it's been really exciting to watch all of her videos and how she budgets and the things she's learned being on her financial journey. So I think you all will be in for quite a treat. Go check them out. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what BCL is, it's a movement that was started by Budgeting April. It stands for Budgeting Community Link, and it's a way for all of us to get to know one another, to be subscribed to channels that we may be new to, and just really enjoy getting to know one another and support each other on our budgeting journey, because that's what we are here to do. And thank you so much, Budgeting April, for all that you do. And also check out the I Am movement that was started by Free to Fly Budgeting. It's a great movement, and I really enjoy watching everyone's videos on different topics. We have decluttering, we have meal planning, we have self-love, we have mental health, putting yourself first. There's just so many things that I've watched and just really enjoyed. So please go check the I Am movement started by Free to Fly Budgeting as well. And also wanted to mention that I am doing a 250 subscriber giveaway. Yay! So today is the last day to enter. You have until 11:59 p.m. and I will announce the winners on Sunday, hopefully on Sunday. So it will be very soon. So keep an eye out for that. It's 2 winners, and the instructions will be in the description box. And yeah, let's get into this video. This will be a quick video. It will be some happy mail that I did receive. And so next week I will be filming my budget with me, because it's a magical month for me in July. I get paid 3 times in July. So I'm so excited about that. This last check is going to be nice. So I'm going to do a budget with me. I'm going to do a cash stuffing, and I believe I will also separate out savings challenges, because I do have some new ones that I did order off of some Etsy shops, and I want to get those started. So I'll be able to do that with this paycheck coming up. So stay tuned for that. Please stick around if you are a new subscriber to my channel. Don't leave, please stick around, because I will have more content. I appreciate everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel, and for the returning viewers as well. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate the budgeting community. Let's go ahead and get started with this happy mail. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. So first up we have, I'm just try to conceal it. I'm gonna turn, I can't turn the box this way. Okay, so it's a package. I don't know if you can see, but hopefully you can't see. That was just a wave. See? Whee! Okay. I'm going to open it up. I'm so silly. I kind of already opened it up because I was excited when... Oh, let me just start by saying I won a giveaway. So this is my first ever giveaway that I received. I'm so excited. I'm giving a giveaway and I won my first giveaway. Isn't that like ironic? Okay. This is from... I want to give away from Budget with Cat. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so first off, I told her that I would love to have numbers on my envelope, so she did send me some numbers that I can put on myself. And it says, thanks a ton. Oh my goodness. Let's see. How do I open this? Okay. Kat, if you don't know, she does 100 envelope boxes. I had a choice to choose which prize I wanted, and I said, Kat, I want your famous 100 envelope boxes. Want your famous 100 envelope box. Here are a few extra envelopes for you. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. I think, is this like a scratch-off thing? I'm not sure. Okay. Cute, cute. Ooh, and then I get to mark it off. And like I said before, in my previous video, I will be using this box to complete with my daughter, Leilani. It says, congratulations, I'm so excited for you. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. I hope you love your box as much as I love making it for you. Good luck saving. Keep me posted. Oh, I'm so excited. Kat, I definitely will, okay? I really wanted a 100 envelope box for the longest time. So I am so excited to get this so that way I can start it or actually continue it with my daughter. And that way she can see that saving is very important. We are doing the 100 envelope savings challenge because I'm saving or helping to fund her car, a used car for her, and she will be also joining me on this challenge. Wow. Everything is packaged so nicely. I just came like not too long ago from working out, so I'm a little tired, so please excuse me. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love flowers. I don't know if Kat knew that, but I love flowers. So these are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Roses. Oh. These are so beautiful. Go this way or this way? I'm gonna put them in there like that. Ooh, oh my goodness. Wow, I love the patterns. The pineapples, I love pineapples too. So many different patterns, they're so cute. Thank you, Kat. Oh my, oh. Wow. So we'll be starting this soon. And I have a tracker. So in my, probably the next cash stuffing video, I will have Leilani join me with what she's already stuffed. And by the way, Budget with Cat also does challenges with her son, Will, as well. And so I'm inspired to do one with my daughter, Leilani. So it'll be so much fun. Can't wait. So I'm going to save this. And I keep all my notes that I receive from people's, from the mail that people send me. So, yeah. Thank you, Kat. I really appreciate it. My first giveaway. And I've been subscribed to Kat for the longest time. Even before I started my YouTube channel, I was subscribed to her on my personal channel. And then I subscribed again once I joined YouTube with my own channel. So yeah, go check her out. Please go check her out. She is so nice. She's sweet. And I just enjoy watching her. I enjoy watching her savings challenges and how she's able to save, you know, a little at a time. And her challenges are very doable. The next, I hope you didn't see that because I didn't cover the, I didn't cover too well. But anyway, the next package that I have, I already opened it, so now I'm just kind of showing it. I ordered another binder. And the reason why I ordered another binder is because, as we know, in the YouTube community, once you go down one rabbit hole, you just keep going. So, ooh, look at the butterflies. I love butterflies. I love flowers, butterflies, anything that has to do with nature, I love. I really have these categories already, so I just got it mainly for the butterflies and for the binder and the envelopes, of course. And I love this color blue. It's like a Tiffany blue, you know, the Tiffany, the store. It's so cute, Tiffany blue. So I have these envelopes, and I will be having some more labels come, and I'm going to make this a binder, and I'll wait and show you what binder I make it out of, and you'll see. I do like these stickers though, so I may give these to my daughter Simone, who also has a binder, and she would like to use the envelope system as well. So some of these envelopes will go to her, and some will be used for my new binder that I'll be using to do sinking funds with. So the last Happy Mail that I received from Amazon. Okay. This is, okay. Prop money. Yes, I'm going to be using prop money here soon because, like I said, I'll be doing savings challenges, and my girls will also participate in some of the savings challenges. And so I said, I need to get some prop money. And this looks like real money actually, but it does feel a little different, and it looks different too. So yeah, so excited. You know, for the longest time before I started, when I first started my channel, I didn't realize that people were actually using prop money until I saw someone had a $2 bill, and I was like, wait a second, I don't see that too often. Turns out it was prop money. And that's when I started to catch on, like, oh, people actually use prop money, which makes sense because who wants to have a bunch of money in their house? I mean, for real. So yeah, it says motion picture purposes. Cool. So yep. We will be using our prop money, and now I'll have to get a box to put this prop money in, and I think I know where I will be getting that from. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new and haven't done that yet, please turn on your bell notification so you'll notice anytime I upload a future video. Go check out the BCL ladies for this week, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks again, Budget with Kat. Budgeting April, congratulations again, and I pray that everyone has a great week. And remember to enter the giveaway if you haven't already. I'll leave the instructions below, and I will make an announcement on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. Have a great one. Bye-bye.